है एवरीवन। तो टाइटल पढ़ के और थंबनेल देख के तो आपको सबको पता चल ही चुका होगा कि वीडियो है किस बारे में। फिर भी एक इंट्रोडक्शन तो बनता है ना। सो टू बिगिन विद, एज यू ऑल नो, बॉक्सिंग इज अ वेरी इंटीमेट स्पोर्ट अबाउट डिग्निटी एंड सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट. Now you guys must have watched the 2015 film Creed, and if not, you must check that out. उस फिल्म में हम देख सकते हैं कि सिल्वेस्टर स्टैलोन का जो कैरेक्टर है रॉकी बल्बोआ, वो अपने स्टूडेंट से यही कहता है कि बॉक्सिंग isn't about fighting an opponent. It's about entering the ring as one man and living as a different and better man. And before starting the countdown, I would like to mention that in this list I have just spoken about the feature films, so documentaries and short films are excluded. नंबर 10, हार्ड टाइम्स. एक डायरेक्टर के तौर पे वॉल्टर हिल ने इसी फिल्म से डेब्यू किया था, एंड इट स्टार्स जेम्स कोबर्न एंड चार्ल्स ब्रॉसनन इन द टू टाइटल रोल्स. Brosnan plays Chani, who is a drifter fright-hopping through Louisiana, and he befriends Speed, played by Coburn, who is a talkative hustler, and they start competing in illegal, bare-knuckled boxing matches. An important element of the film is that it is set during the Great Depression, and Hard Times is great at painting a picture of those years. So जिन्हें भी पीरियड ड्रामास देखने का शौक है, this film is a must watch. नंबर 9, द फाइटर. ये एक काफ़ी रिसेंट फिल्म है और इसमें मार्क वॉलबर्ग और क्रिश्चियन बेल के साथ साथ एमी एडम्स भी है. द फाइटर एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री से इंस्पायर्ड है जिसका नाम है हाई ऑन क्रैक स्ट्रीट, लॉस्ट लाइफ्स इन लोवेल, विच इज़ अबाउट अ प्रोफेशनल बॉक्सर मिकी वॉर्ड एंड हिज हाफ ब्रदर डिकी एकलैंड. दिस फिल्म वॉज नॉमिनेटेड फॉर 6 Academy Awards and it won 2 of them. The acting was praised a lot and Christian Bale का जो body transformation था ना इस कैरेक्टर के लिए, that was unbelievable and it is still considered as one of his biggest works. The only negative point of the film is that the plot is quite predictable. Number 8, Body and Soul. Body and Soul is the oldest film on this list and probably the most unusual one when it comes to boxing movies. Partially based on 1939's Golden Boy, the story follows Charlie Davis, played by John Garfield, who much to his mother's dissatisfaction decides to become a boxer. Charlie becomes more and more successful, but that only leads him to make hard choices as he faces numerous vices that he is tempted by. There are elements of film noir and drama which makes it stand out of the crowd, while its cinematography makes it one of the best boxing movies ever made. Number 7, The Champ. The Champ is a remake of a 1931 film of the same name. इसकी कहानी काफ़ी सिंपल है. बिली फ्लिन का जो कैरेक्टर है, which is played by John Voight, is an ex-boxer who now has the custody of his son Timothy. Yes, Timothy. And Billy attempts to win back his ex-wife Annie by going back and fighting in the ring. Though the film wasn't as successful as the original one, which won 2 Academy Awards, the film is still considered as one of the best of its kind. Number 6, Cinderella Man. Cinderella Man is a 2005 film directed by Ron Howard and it starred Russell Crowe in the lead role. This film is based on a true story of Irish boxer James Braddock. The story is really emotional as Braddock was a man who represented the poverty-stricken working class of America during the Great Depression. Number 5, The Boxer. The Boxer is a 1997 sports drama, quite obviously, about a boxer named Danny Flynn, played by Daniel Day-Lewis, who is also a former provisional IRA volunteer. In this film, we see that after Danny gets released from the prison, he is trying to get his life back together. The Boxer got nominated for 3 Golden Globes, including the Best Picture, Best Director, and Best Actor. Though the plot is quite predictable, the performances make the movie shine nonetheless. Number 4, Champion. Just like the previously mentioned Body and Soul, 1949's Champion is a film noir drama. It is based on a short story by Ring Lardner, which follows the life of a boxer named Mitch Kelly, played by Kirk Douglas, who struggles with his own inner demons while at the same time trying to get a career in boxing. The cast also includes Merlin Maxwell and Arthur Kennedy. The film was nominated for 6 Academy Awards and won one of them, and it is regarded by many as one of the greatest boxing films ever made. Number 3. Creed. So as you all know, it is very rare for sequels or spin-offs to achieve such greatness. But Creed manages to do it. Starring Michael B. Jordan in the title role of Adonis Johnson Creed, it continues the story of the legendary Rocky Balboa, played by Sylvester Stallone, who now teaches the son of his ex-opponent Apollo Creed. The film, being directed by Ryan Coogler, is considered as the best installment in the Rocky franchise since the original film. Now, before coming to the top 2 films on this list, I would like to give a short disclaimer because it is often disputed which of the 2 films, Raging Bull or Rocky, is the greatest boxing film of all time. But it is undeniable that both of them deserve this status. However, in this video I am going to put my opinion, which might differ from yours, and that's completely fine. So, in the second position, we have Raging Bull. It is one of Martin Scorsese's greatest works and starred the legendary Robert De Niro along with Joe Pesci and Kathy Moriarty. This film follows the story of Jake LaMotta, an Italian-American middleweight boxer trying to have a career in the sport. However, his awful personality, constant jealousy, anger issues, and excessive appetite seem to be spoiling his relationship with his loved ones. And finally, in the first position, we have the 1976 film Rocky. Rocky is not only the greatest boxing film ever, it's likely the greatest sports film ever made. Rocky undoubtedly has some correlation with the story of its main star Sylvester Stallone. Written by Stallone himself, this film is about Rocky Balboa, an uneducated but kind working class boxer who gets a shot at the world championship and is propelled to fame. So that's the video, guys. Do let me know your views regarding this video in the comment section. You can follow me on social media, the handle is right here in front of you. Do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for weekly content ahead. Until then, take care, goodbye.